Hi, starting with me, the Noah Redeem from the 70s collection. This is beautiful. You can actually rock this, like maybe your travel a two-piece set, your jacket on it. It's comfy, it is beautiful, and it comes with a bra top inside, so you don't need to stress yourself looking for something to wear inside. It's beautiful, it's stylish. You can wear it to the gym, the everyday outfits, and actually style it different ways, heels, flat, like every day.
You were right in the first place. Don't need no convincing. Keep me high in my ways. You feel my pain in my skin, my veins. Go deep in my